Hey! If you're thinking about jumping into a Web3 game, hold up just a second. Before you dive into a world full of tokens, NFTs, and digital loot boxes, we're going to talk about the smart moves, the kind that save you time, money, and headaches. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's go through everything you wish someone told you before starting a Web3 game. Okay, let's clear the air. Web3 gaming isn't just playing games with crypto. It's about ownership. Instead of just grinding for hours and earning XP that disappears when the server shuts down, you own the items, characters, land, even part of the economy. Think of it like this: in a traditional game, your rare sword? That's theirs. In a Web3 game? It's yours on-chain. You could trade it, rent it, or even sell it. But it's not all sunshine and moonbags. There's a lot to understand before you get in. Alright, this is big. Don't just jump into a game because the trailer looks cool or a YouTuber said it's next level. Look into the team. Are they public? Do they have experience in gaming or blockchain? The roadmap. Are they hitting deadlines, or is it just Q1 magic? Q4 moon? Community updates. Are they transparent or just hyping everything? Do a Google sleuth session. Twitter, Discord, Medium, dig deep. Quick tip: if you can't find who's building the game, that's a red flag. Big time. Let's break it down. You need a wallet, probably MetaMask, Phantom, or a game-specific one. But here's what no one tells you. Never share your seed phrase. Like, ever. Use a burner wallet if you're testing a new game. Always check you're on the right URL. Scammers clone sites all the time. Consider using a hardware wallet for expensive NFTs. And don't forget to lock down your Discord. Web3 scams love Discord. Here's where a lot of games fall apart. Watch out for high inflation tokens. They drop fast. Team token unlocks that happen too soon. No clear use case for the token. If the only reason to buy the token is because it might go up, that's a problem. Look for real utility, in-game purchases, staking, governance, something that ties it to the ecosystem. Play to earn, P2EU, play to make money. Sounds great, right? But these models often collapse if there's no real fun. Players leave, token prices drop, game dies. Play and earn. This is better. Fun comes first, and earning is a bonus. Free-to-play Web3, no upfront cost, but maybe you earn NFTs later. Still kinda rare, but rising. Smart tip: don't chase games just for the money. That wave has passed. Look for sustainable fun plus value. You've seen the buzz: buy this NFT to access the game. But what does it actually do? Ask yourself. Does the NFT give you access, power-ups, land, or ownership? Can you use it across other games or chains? Is it just a JPEG with no gameplay? Fun fact: most NFT game assets drop in value after launch. Be cautious with pre-launch hype buys. This space has traps. Rug pulls, fake partnerships, pump and dumps. Red flags. Anonymous devs. Unrealistic promises. No gameplay footage, just trailers. You need to invest X amount to start. Do this. Look for gameplay demos. Test with free assets if available. Ask around in Discord and Reddit. Oh, and if something feels off? Trust your gut. It's probably off. If the community is just when moon and price go up, run fast. Great communities share tips, help each other out, are active even when the price is down. Check Twitter threads, Discord discussions, Reddit activity. That'll tell you everything. Because in Web3, community isn't just marketing, it's momentum. Look, you can make money in Web3 games. But if that's your only goal, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Smart players focus on games they actually enjoy, learning the tech behind it, building skills and community. The profits? That's just a bonus. It's like investing in yourself, not just tokens. Here's your quick pre-game checklist. Did you research the dev team? Is the game already playable or just in alpha? Are you using a secure wallet? Did you understand the game economy? Are you joining a solid community? If you answered no to any of these, maybe hold off and do a little more digging. Alright, you made it this far, legend status. Before we go, here are a few bonus tools. DApp Radar, track top Web3 games. Guild.xyz, join verified player groups. Token Unlocks, know when tokens unlock. Play2earn.net, game discovery. And if you got value from this, drop a like and subscribe, more deep dives are coming. Now go out there, play smart, and may your loot always be legendary. Peace.